Well, that was the best week-long bongo bender I have ever been on.
Yeah, goddamn. You remember that money? Remember that money, Archer? We're good, right? We're good. We're good. We know we're good. You're good. I'm good. We're both good. He's gone.
Maud, we have got to get rid of this microwave.
Alright. Now that's a conclusion you're jumping to, alright? And sure, the evidence is bad, alright? This is one finality, alright? Look, infinite possibilities. The microwave, you can go anywhere. I've seen pharaohs. I've seen tiny people with hats that do crazy things.
What the hell are you talking about, Maud? Rick's dead! Are you serious?
I'm not saying it's not tragic. It's tragic.
Tragic?
It's very tragic. And I'm saying he was a good guy. I liked him. I owe him a bit of money, but I liked him. And yeah, fair enough. Let's get rid of it. Oh God, no. What the fuck is that thing?
I am a hyper-intelligent being that has come from the future to mess your shit up. You have messed with the fabric of time and space, and for that I have been sent to punishment.
Wait a second. Hold up. If we were meddling, what the hell are you doing?
That's a completely different thing. I've been authorized.
This is complete bullshit. We have done nothing wrong. If you're allowed to hear a pew pew us all around the goddamn room.
Mortal, I put in my time. I got my time traveler's license, and I will destroy you. You've always been like this, Mort. Selfish, lazy, good for nothing.
You're not who I thought you were at all.
I come for the money that you owe me. You guys don't want to play guitar with Splash?